Hello everyone. Today we will be seeing a new chapter called as Urustamba Chikitsa. This is the 27th chapter of Charaka Chikitsa Sthana. This is a very special disease which is mentioned as the name of Urustamba, which is followed by Vatavyadi. As many people will confuse it to be a type of Vatavyadi, so hence it has been mentioned immediately after Vatavyadi. So this chapter starts with the doubt asked by Agnivesha to Punarvasva, where he asked that is there any vyadhi which is sadhya by Shamana Chikitsa but asadhya by Panchakarma. So till now with whatever vyadhi you have seen, you have seen a pattern that most of the diseases is being cured by Panchakarma. Shamana Aushadhis have a very little role to play. It is a Panchakarma that plays a very major role in treatment of the disease. But is there any disease that is having importance of Shamana Aushadhi in it than Panchakarma? Or if Panchakarma is contraindicated and only Shamana Aushadhi is treated, what kind of diseases is that? To answer this, Acharya Punarvasu says a disease called as Urustamba. So this disease is being commonly understood by Panchakarma Nishedha, or a disease where Panchakarma is contraindicated. Now the definition of Urustamba is Uruhu श्लेष्मं समेधको वातपित्त अभिभूये तु स्तम्भयेत् स्थैर्येत् शैत्ये urustambam tatsyu saha. So the meaning of this is that Medasko means Meda Saheti, means along with the Medas. That is Medas with Amarasa, or Amarasa which is associated with Medas will do the avarodha of Vadadi dosha by Medha Misrita Ama. Amarasa mixed with Medha along with Vatadi dosha will move to Uru Pradesha from the Koshta. So here it starts from the Koshta. What happens over here is that Amarasa is formed, where the Amarasa is getting mixed with Medha, and this Medharasa and Amarasa is mixing along with Vatadi doshas. Here Vatadi dosha means all the three doshas are involved, and move to the Uru Pradesha, where it causes the difficulty. We call it as Urustamba. So again telling the same thing, Medha and Ama is present, and Sleshma is also involved, then Vatadi doshas is involved, and disease is formed. So coming to the Nidanas of Urustamba, mainly Nidanas is that Jirna, Ajirna, Samashanat. This is the Nidana of Urustamba, where Ahara is having Pachana of Anna in Alpa Matra, means Ajirnata is there, total Pachana is not happening. Shesha in Apakwa Avastha, so whatever is not digested, that is present in the Apakwa Avastha, and this partially digested and partially undigested food forms the ama in the patient. And during Jirna Samshanat, there will be Snigdha Dravya, Ushna Dravya, Laghu Dravya, and Shita Dravya Adiprayoga. Means when this present earlier condition of Jirna Samshanat is present, the patient is involved in these conditions. He takes Snigdha Dravya, Ushna Dravya, Laghu Dravya, and Shita Dravya excessively. So that lead to the formation of ahara, or atisevana of drava padartha or atisevana of shushka padartha can lead to the disease. Excessive intake of dati and shira can lead to the disease. Excessive intake of gramya, amisha and mamsa, or excessive intake of anupa mamsa, or excessive intake of audaka, amisha, mamsa can also form the disease. And adpishta padartha prepared from the rice of take can lead. Madhya can also lead to the formation. And in Vihara, Divaswapna, Prajagara, Langhana, Adhyashana, Ayasa, and Vegadharana can lead to the formation of the disease. So these are the Aharas and Viharas which mainly forms the disease. Then Manasika, if you see, Manasikala Bhaya is one reason for possession of Urustamba. So this is the same thing what has been told in the sloka. So due to Sneha will be more in the Koshta, due to Sneha cha amam chita Koshtam vatadi medasa saha. So same thing as we are told, because of the mixing of Sneha with the ama and vatadi dosha. Medas with ama in the Koshta will do the vatadi dosha rodhana. So there will be obstruction of vatadi dosha by the Medas and the ama. So as a result, Guruda will be there. Due to Guruda, there will be moving to Uru through the Adhoga Siraha. Dosha Medo Balotkashta, Vadadi Dosha Rodha by Medas and Ama Dosha will become more Bala. Because of this movement, it will be attaining more Bala. We'll do Purana on the Sakti, Jhanga and Uru Pradesha. We'll do it to Adhideya Parispandana, even though there is Ichha to move the Uru and Janu, but it will not happen. Alpa Vikrama, restriction in the movement. Now, the simile what has been told for the importance of Kapha dosha in Urustamba is like in the 19th chapter of Sutrasthana, it is mentioned that Ama Tridosha Samutthana means Ama is formed of Tridoshas. Then also here Sleshma Vyapti in the Ura Pradesha, which is Stira and Akshobha is been told. So this can be taken like just like a same in case of a big river where Jala will be Stira and Shanta, like the condition of Sleshma Vyapta and Ura Pradesha. So it's a big river where the Jala is present, it is stable and Shanta, but it can have the potential to cause a lot of problems. So the Lakshanas of Urustamba will be having 3 years. One is Stamba, then is Thairya and Shaitya. These 3 years will be there as a Lakshana of Urustamba. Now looking into the Pura Rupa of Urustamba, it can have Dhyana, Atinidra, Atisthaimithya, Arochaka, Jwara, Loma Harsha, Chardi and Sadhana of Jhanga and Uru. These will be the Pura Rupas of Urustamba. Now, Sneha Kriya Nishedha, it has been told as Ajnata, considering it as a Vatavyadi, if do Sneha Chikitsaha Punaha, if the person who is not knowledge of Urustamba consider this as a Vatavyadi and do the Sneha Chikitsa in that patient, then that will lead to Sadhana of Pada, means pain in the Pada, Supti of Pada, Kricha Uddharana of the Pada. There will be some very difficult to cure if the condition get worsens. That will happen if Snehana Karma is being done in Urustamba. Because this is commonly understood as pain is there, people will think that it's a Vadavyadi, so immediately they will start with Snehana, and if Snehana is done, all those things will happen. Now coming to the Lakshana of Urustamba, it is Atyartha Glani of the Janga and Uru Pradesha, Shashwat Daha and Vedana of the Janga and Uru Pradesha, Padam cha Vedet Nastam. He will feel that he have no movement in this feet or there is no feet at all. And Shita Sparsham Naveti. He will feel as cold sensation in the feet. Then Samsthane, Pidane, and Gatya Chalane, Anishwaraha. So there will be no movement. I mean, no gati, or he will feel that somebody else is doing the work while standing, while moving, or while walking, and all those places. There will be no control of him on this feet or in his movements. And Anyeno he some bhagnao urapadoscha manyate. So he will feel that there is bhagna or there is what do you say, broke, or there is cracks, or what do you say, fractures in his pada and manya uru pradesha. He will feel that there is a fracture in those areas. The pain will be so severe that it will resemble like that of a bhagna. Sadhya Sadhya of Urustamba is that if there is a Daha, Arti, Toda and Vepadu, then it is Asadhya. If there is a no Lakshana and Nava, then it is Sadhya. Now, why Panchakarma and Nisheda? There are different Panchakarmas, one by one we will see. Why Shiro Virajana is Nisheda is because there is Prakupita Kapha Dosha, Ama, Meda and Vata and Pitta in the Ura Pradesha. Hence, Shiro Virajana can't be done because Shiro Virajana is basically done for Kapha, and when it is present in the Urdhva Bhaga. But here it is present in Ura Pradesha, so Shiro Virajana can't be done. Next is why Virajana can't be done or Snehana can't be done, we already discussed. In the form of Abhyandra or Bhagya or Abhyanga form, if Snehana is been done, it can't be given because Nitya Kapha Prakopa is there in Urustamba. So Snehana will again lead to the aggravation of this Kapha, hence Snehana can't be done. Virajana can't be done is because Sleshma is in Uru and Janga Pradesha. And Uddharet Virajana is Asamartha. To remove this or to cure this Sleshma in the Uru and Janga Pradesha, Virajana is not eligible. Why Vamana is not done? Vamana is generally indicated when Kapha is in Kaphasthana and Pitta is in Kaphasthanagata. But here in Urustamba it is in Amashya. Sorry, usually Kaphasthana is Amashya, but here it is in Uru and Janga Pradesha, therefore it is contraindicated. If Pitta and Kapha is in Adobhaga of Amasya, then Virechana is indicated. Here it is in Janga and Uru Pradesha, so contraindicated. And the same way, Basti can't be given because when Tridosha is in Pakvashya, for Mula Dosha Nirharana, Basti is indicated. But here again, it is in Uru and Janga Pradesha, therefore it is contraindicated. Why Niruha Basti is contraindicated? It is indicated, Basti is indicated, Sneha Basti and Nuvasana Basti will lead to Kapha Vriddhi. If both the things are given, or if Sneha Basti is being given, Anuvasana Basti is given, that will lead to the Kapha Vriddhi. Already Kapha Vriddhi is present in the patient, so Sneha Basti can't be given. And why Niruha Basti is not indicated? It is included under the Shodhana. While explaining Virechana, the same will apply for the Basti also. Here it is indicated for both Adho Virechana and Niruha Basti. So both having the same reason, as Virechana is not able to remove the doshas from the Uru and Jaga Pradesha, same way Niruha Basti is not able to remove it. So here Prakopita, Kapha dosha, Ama, Medha and Vata and Pitta are involved. Is in Janga and Uru Pradesha, which is Vatasthana. Already Shakti and Sthabdata is there because of Vata. Also others having the same gunas. Hence Panchakarma can't be given. So this sloga explains the same thing. I hope you understood what are the Lakshana, Purarupa and contraindication for Panchakarma in Urustamba. We'll discuss further in the interactive session. Till then, thank you very much. Please go through the slides and come up for the interactive session. Thank you.